Experience driving perfection in the 2012 GMC Yukon. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include leather upholstery, power front seats, front and rear air conditioning, front fog lights, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.